How to download IDM. Open browser. Search IDM download. Tap on first link. Scroll down and find download button. Tap on it. Start download. While downloading, you can subscribe my channel. Like, comment, and share the video. Downloading IDM. With the use of IDM, you can download anything with high speed. IDM is downloaded. Now open the IDM. Now you can double tap on it and install IDM by clicking the next button easily. Many users face the problem of its 30 days trial. To solve this problem, we again open browser. Open browser. Search IDM trial reset github. Tap on this link. Now we can download its latest version. Tap it. Tap it for downloading IDM trial reset. Open and install it. First, we extract this file. Double tap on the extracted file. Now you can register and also reset this. But in my opinion, you can reset it. It is more reliable. After every 30 days of expire, you should reset it and use it easily. We successfully reset it. Subscribe for new interesting videos.